Now you're wondering which cars are the most reliable. Well, wonder no more. In this video, I'm going to be running down the vehicles most likely to develop a fault based on a What Car survey of more than 30,000 owners. The magazine gives a score for each car out of 100. The lower the score, the more likely it is to suffer a breakdown. Right, let's get into it. These are the most unreliable used cars. Kicking off the list is the Renault Astral with a score of 80.4%. You might not have heard of it, and to be honest, neither had we, but this is a modern family SUV beset with more issues than most. At number 9 is the Hyundai Ioniq Electric with a reliability rating of 80.1%. Usually, Hyundai is a safe bet, but this early electric model has clearly caused more headaches than owners were hoping for. At number 8 is the Volkswagen ID.4 with a score of 79.6%. Not just dull to look at, these software-heavy cars have caused their owners their fair share of problems too. In at number 7 is the Audi Q7 with a reliability rating of 78.6%. Big, luxurious and packed with tech. Unfortunately, there's more things to go wrong for owners. And as you can imagine, the bills are nearly as large as the grille. At number 6 are the Volvo S90 and V90 with a reliability rating of 76.7%. Usually a safe bet, these Volvos sadly don't have the reliability to match their premium badges. In at 5 is the Mercedes C-Class with a reliability rating of 76.3%. A hugely popular executive saloon that's more likely to leave middle management company car drivers at the side of the road. In 4th place is the Mazda CX-60 with a reliability rating of 76.2%. The Japanese usually have a strong reputation for reliability, but sadly this new SUV is following in the awful CX-5's footsteps. The latter was seemingly made of chocolate, and this new model is faring little better. Now this one's a surprise. In 3rd, it's the Kia Sportage with a reliability rating of 72.9%. It's one of the UK's best-selling SUVs, but this generation has clearly caused issues for a significant number of owners. In 2nd place is the latest Volkswagen Tiguan with a reliability rating of 64.2%. It's unusual to see such a new car already ranking as one of the least reliable, and there'll certainly be some furrowed brows at Volkswagen HQ when they see this. And topping the list, the most unreliable used car in the survey is the petrol Nissan Juke with a reliability rating of 55.2%. Nearly 1 in 4 owners reported faults, and worryingly 60% of those said repairs cost more than £1,500. Nissan said the result was disappointing and differed from their data. So there you have it, the most unreliable used cars according to What Car's annual reliability index. Have you owned one of these cars? Have you had problems? Or perhaps you own a car that you think should be on the list but wasn't? Let us know in the comments below. For more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Car Dealer Magazine. And for the very latest on the automotive industry, check out our website. It's cardealermagazine.co.uk. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.